Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Michael over here at WeBe Autos. Today we have a pretty cool truck. It's a Patina farm truck. Got the owner Marty here of many years. He's going to tell us a little bit about him. How you doing today, Marty?
How you doing?
So we got a 55 Ford F100 farm truck.
Yes, from Tennessee.
Wow, very cool.
I picked it up in Massachusetts.
Okay.
Guy sent me a video of it, and it was running right from the go-get. He showed me how it ran in his backyard, which was a farm.
Oh, great.
And
how can you know?
I've been driving it ever since.
So you drive it a lot, huh?
I sure do.
Love it. So any recent work done to it?
Oh yeah, tires, brakes, brake lining, brake hoses, gas line, exhaust, new exhaust system with a muffler.
Notice the battery tray under there, wiring.
New battery.
It's got a whole list of everything you guys can check out on the website. Really great patina and no real rust, or no rot.
No rot at all.
Looks like it's been a couple colors, maybe blue and red.
That was the original color, the blue.
The blue, wow. We got a straight 6 under the hood. Poly carburetor, you can tell that by the glass bulb. That's also been rebuilt. Does it run on 12 volts or 6 volts?
6 volts.
Okay. Do you have a 6-volt battery or an 8?
Yeah, no, 6 volts.
Okay. Man, she's real solid. These motors are great. Probably does pretty good on the highway, right, Marty?
We'll do 60, 65 without batting an highway.
Wow, great.
Keep up with traffic.
That's great. You would think it'd fall behind, right?
Yeah. It doesn't. There's plenty of power.
Okay.
There's plenty of power for a 6-cylinder back in the day. You know, it's very simple to work on.
Yeah.
Tree on a tree.
Cool. Everything works. All speedometer, the heater.
Yes, on the dashboard everything works. Gas gauge.
Is this the original miles? 59?
Yes, that's the original mileage.
Wow, 59,589. Very cool. The seat's original, huh?
Yeah, the seat is original.
Cool. Can't really see it, but it's a little torn up, right?
Yeah. It needs to be covered.
Could be covered. Looks great with the blanket on it, though. Very fitting.
It does. He's got the same blanket in his car too.
Very cool.
If you notice, the brake and clutch rubbers aren't worn out from 1955.
Wow. Very cool.
Oh, there's a secret to the battery.
Oh yeah, what is it?
I'll show you. All you have to do is pull up this rug a little bit and open the door, and there she is.
Wow, very cool. Huh. Great patina on this truck. Well guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from WeBe Autos. I'm Marty, thank you so much for showing us your truck.
You're welcome.
Feel free to give us a call. We're at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website. It's webeautos.com. Thanks a lot.